Well, that recommendation from Canada's top health officials was supposed to provide some clarity and comfort. However, it may have just added to the confusion over COVID vaccines and what to do with those second doses. The bottom line is it's okay to mix and match, but they'd rather you not.
People who received a first dose of AstraZeneca Covishield vaccine may receive either AstraZeneca or Covishield vaccine or an mRNA, so Pfizer, BioNTech, or Moderna vaccine for their second dose.
The guidelines for which shot to get when are changing again after the National Advisory Committee for Immunization okayed switching it up on Tuesday. AstraZeneca can be followed by one of the others. For those who had a Pfizer or Moderna shot first, they are now interchangeable if the same is unavailable or unknown.
This is a pandemic. We will get real life data, and it is great that we do. But which means that the committee has to update its recommendations on an ongoing basis. But on top of the real life data, which is very important.
The decision was based on initial research from Spain and the UK, showing that following one type of vaccine with another is still safe and effective. Questions were raised about the AstraZeneca shot after it was first revealed that a very rare blood clot could develop in those that receive it.
I have mixed feelings, I think, because it's new technology, but I have to think that they're doing the right thing as well.
I'd be prepared to accept the second dose of AstraZeneca also. I think it's fine. I think there's risk with any vaccine. I think there's risk with any drug.
If they say it's safe, if the science says it's safe, I'll take whatever's available so I can get back to a normal life.
For the more than 2 million Canadians who have had their first dose of AstraZeneca, some may not be sure about getting different shots at different times.
We're all anxious as heck. We've got our fight or flight reflexes kicked in. We have for a year. Anything that makes the person feel more comfortable, it's nice to know that the science says, hey, find what works for you and do it.
The recommendation to allow the mRNA vaccines to become interchangeable is also based on history. The same premise has also been used for others, including flu shots in the past.
This good immune boosting effect of that second dose that's different, the mRNA following AstraZeneca, are those general immunological and vaccine knowledge that have been built over decades of vaccine programmatic use and the immunology that goes with it.
All that said, the messaging is still far from clear. While it's okay to mix and match, officials aren't saying those looking for their second dose should do it.
So NACI is not recommending just use them interchangeably, but more that try and use the same vaccine.